Tired of watching your savings lose value every month? What if I told you that AI can help you grow your money faster than inflation without investing a single dollar in the stock market? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to combine the power of high-yield savings accounts with free AI tools to stay ahead of inflation and build smarter financial habits in 2025. Welcome to Wealth Creators Hub, where we show everyday people how to save smarter, earn more, and live freer. If you're ready to stop losing money to inflation, hit that like button and let's get into it. Even though inflation has cooled from pandemic highs, the cost of essentials is still rising faster than most people's savings accounts can keep up. According to the latest data, the average savings account pays under 1% interest. Meanwhile, inflation is hovering around 3 to 4%. That means if you're not earning at least 3% on your savings, you're technically losing money every day. What is a high yield savings account? A high yield savings account is just like a regular savings account, but with way better interest rates. Right now in 2025, many online banks are offering HISAs with rates as high as 4.5% to 5.2%. That means if you had $5,000 sitting in one, you could earn over $225 a year in interest with zero risk. Look for accounts with no monthly fees, FDIC or NCUA insurance, easy online access, and no minimum balance requirements. Now, here's where it gets exciting. AI tools are making it easier than ever to compare interest rates across hundreds of banks in seconds, automate transfers from checking to savings, forecast your savings growth based on your income, bills, and goals. Get alerts when your rate drops so you can switch accounts. The top tools in 2025 include Nerd Wallet AI, great for personalized savings suggestions plus rate tracking. You need a budget, YNAB with AI Assistant. Use this to budget and auto allocate to savings goals. AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Ask it to build a savings plan based on your income. Exact steps to implement this strategy. Use an AI tool like NerdWallet or ChatGPT to find the best HYSA rate today. Open the account online, should take under 10 minutes. Set up automatic weekly or bi weekly transfers. Even $20 is a good start. Use budgeting tools like YNAB to ensure the money keeps flowing in. Set alerts to monitor interest rate changes. Here are the results you can expect. If you start with just $1,000 and add $100 a month at 5% interest, you'll have over $2,500 in 2 years, all without taking any investment risk. More importantly, you're building a habit of protecting your money and letting it work for you. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more ways to grow your money smarter with AI. And drop a comment. Have you opened a high yield savings account yet? If not, what's holding you back? This is Wealth Creators Hub. Build wealth, save smarter, and live freer. See you in the next video.